Sir, can you explain in detail, what is the working principle of an alternating current generator or alternator?
Let us think about a single rectangular turn, placed in between north and south pole of a magnet, as shown here. Say, this single turn loop, AABCD, can rotate against axis small a, b. After 90 degrees clockwise rotation, the side, B of the loop, comes in front of south pole, and side CD comes in front of north pole, as shown here. The magnetic flux, as we can see here, is from north pole to south pole. At this position, the tangential motion of the side, B, is just perpendicular to the magnetic flux lines. Therefore, rate of flux cutting by the conductor, B is maximum here, and for the flux cutting, there will be an induced current in the conductor B. As the rate of flux cutting is maximum at this position, the induced current would also be maximum. As we know that induced current is directly proportional to the rate of flux cutting. Now, if we apply Fleming's right-hand rule here, we will see the direction of the induced current. And the direction of this induced current will be, from A to B at the same time, the conductor CD comes under north pole, and here also, if we apply Fleming's right-hand rule, we will get the direction of induced current, and it will be from C to D. Now, after clockwise rotation of another 90 degrees, the turn ABCD comes at vertical position again, as shown. At this position, the tangential motion of conductor B and CD is just parallel to the magnetic flux lines, hence there will be no flux cutting, that is, no current in the conductor. While the turn ABCD comes from horizontal position to vertical position, angle between flux lines and direction of motion of conductor reduces from 90 degrees to 0 degrees, and consequently the induced current in the turn is reduced to 0 from its maximum value. After another clockwise rotation of 90 degrees, the turn again come to horizontal position, and here conductor AAB comes under N pole and CD comes under S pole, and here if we again apply Fleming's right-hand rule, we will see that induced current in conductor AAB is from point B to AA, and induced current in the conductor CD is from D to C, as at this position, the turn comes at horizontal position from its vertical position, the electric current in the conductors comes to its maximum value. That means, current is circulating in the closed turn from point B to AA, AA to D, D to C, and from C to B. Just reverse of the previous horizontal position when the current was circulating as AA to B, B to C, C to D and D to AA. While the turn further proceeds to its vertical position, the current is again reduced to 0. So if the turn continues to rotate, the current in the turn continually alternate its direction. So we have seen how an alternating current is produced in a turn, which is rotated inside a magnetic field. Now we cut the loop and connect its two ends with two slip rings, and stationary terminals of a simple lamp circuit are placed on slip rings. When the loop rotates, we will get an alternating current in the circuit, due to which the lamp will glow. This is our elementary model of alternator.
Thank you. Keep serving electrical4u.com.